To sync Shopify products to your TikTok shop, start by integrating the TikTok channel into your Shopify store. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Apps, then search and install the TikTok app. Once installed, log in or create a TikTok for Business account and connect it to your TikTok shop. Next, follow the prompts to authorize access, link your TikTok Business Center, and set up the TikTok pixel for tracking. After the integration, choose the products you want to sync. You can either sync all products or select specific ones within the TikTok app interface in Shopify. Ensure that your products comply with TikTok's merchant and product policies to avoid rejection. Once selected, the products will be automatically synced, including images, descriptions, and inventory data. Shopify will keep these synced in real time, so updates in pricing or stock levels reflect on TikTok Shop immediately. To manage sales, orders from TikTok Shop will appear in your Shopify order dashboard, allowing centralized fulfillment and tracking. This integration streamlines product listings and order management, making it easier to sell directly through TikTok's growing e-commerce platform.